In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a one-channel audio recording into a two-channel or dual-channel audio using Audacity. Hi, my name is David from freelancerinsights.com, where we believe you should never stop learning. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using Audacity version 2.3.3, and I already have Audacity open and with my audio available on the timeline. Now, if I play it, you'll notice that only the left channel and the indicator is up here for you to see that will be playing. Let's play it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can now you can appreciate that only the left channel is available. So since this is a stereo track, we can either convert it to a mono track or a stereo track. It depends on the purposes you have for the audio track. So let's go first of all with the option number 1 to convert it to a mono track, and we'll need to click on the drop down, which will open up the menu for us. And for this, we'll just click to split to stereo. And once you click on that, you'll just need to close this out. And if you play the audio, you'll notice that it is available on both the left and the right. Let's play. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can. Now, if I stop that, you'll appreciate that you've already done what you needed to do. So if all you needed was a mono track, you can just come to the file option, export, and export to the version that you want to export it as. Now, if you wanted the audio as a stereo track, you'll need to come back into Audacity with the mono track available and just come to the edit button, click on duplicate or Control D, and you'll see now that you have two tracks available. Now you'll need to move this to the left and then move the lower channel to the right side. So basically you have channels available on the track as the left and the right. Now once you do that, you'll need to reconvert this back to a stereo track by just clicking on this. And since both of them are selected, just click on this and just make stereo track. Once you do that, the audio files are doing just fine as they are. So we can just play it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can. And basically you now have a stereo track with both the left and the right channel displaying similar information. That's how easy and fast you can convert a one-channel audio recording into a dual channel or two-channel, that is the left and the right channels, using Audacity. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, and until next time, never stop learning.